Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Facebook Messenger not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos so do not waste your time. First solution, you have restart your device. Restart your iPhone before getting started with complex troubleshooting method to fix this issue. Restarting your device can help solve small bugs and error like this. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see Apple logo on your screen. Then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then second solution, you have check for the latest update. So then you have open the setting and click on general. So then you have click on software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you have must be installed on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have reset network settings. So then you have try resetting network setting. If you still Facebook Messenger not working on your iPhone, doing so can fix complex issue related to your device's wireless network issue. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone. So then you have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting. Then fourth solution, you have free up space on your iPhone. Then you have another possible reason for this issue, if that your device might need more space to download the update. You need free space on your iPhone to install the app's latest update. Free up space, some space if that's the case. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, click on iPhone storage. So then you have check the free up space, then you have not available. So then you have delete anything on your iPhone you have does not use our apps. Then you have photos or videos on your iPhone, so you have must be delete. Then first solution, you have checked the internet connection. So then you have if you have Wi-Fi connected or cellular data, so you have cellular data, so then you have turn off airplane mode 2 or 3 times. Then you have connected the Wi-Fi, so then you have disconnect and then reconnect. Then last solution, you have reinstall the app. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, click on iPhone storage. So then you have seen the messenger. So then you have uh, messenger, click here and then you have upload and then reinstall from here. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.